Just a moment, I will adjust these screens. Okay. So, very good morning, one and all. So, this is very fresh morning, and this is our first lecture. Today's first lecture. We will see where we have stopped yesterday. I have given problem number one. Yes. So, here the problem is like this into examination that draw shear force and bending moment diagrams SFD and BMD. In short, it is called for a simply supported beam subjected to 3-point loads as shown in the figure given below. So, A to B is the total length of the beam, and if you going to count, 8 meter is the span, and the load is acting at C from A support, it is 2 meter. D from A support it is 4 meter, C to D distance is 2 meter, D to E it is 3 meter, and E to B or B to E is 1 meter. So this is the general loading is given in the problem. This is the very simple problem that you have to understand. This kind of problem is not going to ask into examination, but for the simplicity, for sake of understanding, I am taking this simple problem first, and then we will move to somewhat difficult problem, the which is likely to be asked into examination. Okay, and don't think for examination. Always think for the fundamental things to be acquired by your mind, because you have to solve the problems for your gate or competitive examinations. So yesterday I asked you to find out the reaction. So using the condition, that condition of equilibrium, clockwise moments taken as positive. Using the condition summation EMA is equal to 0. So here if you see RB is forming a anti-clockwise moment, therefore taken as negative. RB into, I am taking the moment at point A. Summation of moment at A is equal to 0. So first force I am taking from the just all right hand side. So RB into 8. How it is 8? If you are going to count the distance 2 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 1 meter. So this total span is 8 meter. So RB into 8. Why it is minus? Because it is forming anti-clockwise moment. Plus, this is forming now clockwise moment. Plus 8 into what is the distance? 3 plus 2 plus 2. So total is 7 meter. Then third, 10 into 2 plus 2, 4 meter, plus 5 into 2. This is the perpendicular distance. So 5 into 2, that equal to 0. This force is not having any perpendicular distance, therefore RA into 0. Therefore need not to write. So RB is equal to, you will get, by solving this equation, you will get the value of RB 13.25 Newton, that is upward. Always the forces are acting vertically downward, therefore the reactions are always vertical. But if some of the force is having upward direction, then reaction may be downward. Okay. Then another conditions of equilibrium, summation Fy is equal to 0. So Ra upward force plus Rb 13.25 is equal to downward forces. So 5, 10 and 8, from this you will get Ra is equal to 9.75 Newton. Okay, don't forget to write the units. नहीं तो अपन क्या करते हैं, RB is equal to 13.25, RA is equal to 9.75. Units are important, otherwise there will be deduction of marks. So any doubt to find out reaction? You can write in the chat box. Otherwise I can explain if you are having any problem. Okay. Thank you, Sachin. Coming to the next, uh, now we are going to find out the shear forces of the beam. So now, while calculating the shear forces, if you are going to observe this diagram, now I have got the value of RA as well as RB. Okay, so you take the section 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. These are the sections we have taken just left of the force and just right of the force. Okay, so see how to plot SFD. Shear force at section 1, 1 is denoted as V11. shear force at section 22 is denoted as V22. Now V00 is equal to 0, क्योंकि उधर तो कोई फोर्स ही नहीं है ना, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ 00 no force, but V11 if you are going to see just right of the RA there is a force 9.75. As per the notification or sign convention, we have discussed that we have to take the forces upward at positive, therefore 9.75 is Newton is upward positive. नाउ V22 के पास जब आते हैं अपन तो कोई फोर्स है नहीं है, तो सेम रहेगा V22 9.75. नाउ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर 3 कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन माय कर्सर, ये अपवर्ड है 9.75 टेकन एज पॉजिटिव, बट यहाँ तक तो कुछ भी नहीं था, सेम फोर्स है क्योंकि इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ नहीं थे, इसलिए इट इज रिमेन सेम. Now here this is downward force, this is taken as positive, this is taken as negative, -5 4.75 न्यूटन. अभी जब V44 पर जाएंगे अपन तो V44 is not having any force, therefore 4.75 न्यूटन. But when you are coming to 5, अभी देखो 4.75 is there minus. Why minus? Because here the force is downward, -10, so equal to 5.25 न्यूटन. Now V66, no force in between these 5 to 6, therefore again minus 5.25 Newton. Now coming to the V77 यहाँ पे, so यहाँ पे another force is 5.25. See, I have committed the mistake over here. This is minus 5.25 minus 8. पहले का फोर्स 5.25 था, माइनस में -8, सो अल्जेब्रिक सम इज -13.25. यहाँ पे माइनस लिखना मैं भूल गया, आप प्लीज मेक द करेक्शन. देन V88, नो फोर्स बिटवीन 7 to 8, therefore -13.25. V99 13.25 plus 13.25, so at the support shear force is always 0. Here you will get the check कि अपना जो कैलकुलेशन है वो सब बराबर है कि नहीं है. -13.25 डाउनवर्ड प्लस 13.25 इज इक्वल टू मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0, यानी इन द लास्ट यू शुड गेट द वैल्यू एज 0. एनी डाउट इन दिस? You can take the screenshot. Else I am going to send the PPTs because I have got your email IDs. Only 7 to 8 students having some wrong email IDs. So once it is get corrected, I will send these all PPTs. Don't worry. Okay. So try to understand what I have explained. V00 0 because no force on the left hand side. But if you are going to come at 1 there is a force in between, that is 9.75 Newton. Okay. So according to, you have to take from left hand side, take positive force, then downward forces are negative, and here you will get V88 -13.25, V99 13.25 plus, why it is plus? Again upward force, upward forces are taken as positive, so plus 13.25 must be equal to 0. This is the check. So coming to the BMD, now how to plot this diagram? See, I have told in this slide here, shear force diagram between point loads or for no load region, horizontal line. UDR रहा तो inclined line, 2 degree और uniformly varying load. Yes, it is only point load, therefore these all lines are horizontal line. Coming to that slide, see, I have got 9.75 positive, that's why 9.75. यहाँ से यहाँ तक कुछ भी नहीं था, that's why I have given 9.75 न्यूटन. यहाँ पे कितना ड्रॉप हो गया? 9.75 -5, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ गया. लेट अस से दिस इज द डेटम लाइन, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम प्रोपोर्शनेटली. ओके, ये 9.75 है तो ये थोड़ा सा कम, -5 हो गया 4.75. द फोर्स इज नॉट देयर बिटवीन C to D, therefore 4.75 4.75. नाउ 4.75 minus 10, we have got the value as -5.25. so 4.75 minus 10, तो अब मैंने क्या कर लिया? -5.25, but I have not written minus over here because here this datum line above forces are positive, we have to show, and these forces are negative. So 5.25, उसके बाद 5.25, but at E there is again downward force 8. So 5.25 minus 5.25 minus 8, I will get the value 13.25, and at the end you have to make it 0 here. 0 से स्टार्ट किया, ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा, यहाँ पे ड्रॉप हो गया, माइनस में चले गए, ये आ गया. सो यहाँ पे वी हैव गॉट अगेन वैल्यू एज 0. So this is nothing but our shear force diagram SFD for the simple problem of subjected to point load. Okay, so here you have to make some hatching line, so you will get the forces or a vector as a field diagram. Okay, hatching one. Hello. So always you have to make the diagrams as solid one, means make it hatching or make it color. You can use color pencils also. Then bending moment calculation. Now it is a little bit we have to give the thought. Bending moment at A is denoted at MA, bending moment at B as denoted at MB, and so on, MC, MD, whatever the points we have shown in this diagram here. Bending moment at A, bending moment at C, bending moment at D, bending moment at E, bending moment at B. Bending moment at A is 0 since it is simply supported. Always at the support, bending moment is 0 in the simply supported beam at the support. If it is a cantilever beam, bending moment is maximum. If it is a fixed beam, bending moment is there. But only in simply supported beam, bending moment is 0 at the support. Now we have to see MC. What is the MC? MC is the bending moment at point C. And how you will get the bending moment at C? What is 9.75? The reaction multiplied the distance 2. I will come into the diagram. See here. Here the bending moment is 0. I am going to this here. Bending moment at point simply supported is 0. Here also it is 0. But I would like to calculate at C from the basic diagram. Let us go again. Bending moment at C. So RA multiplied by perpendicular distance. While calculating this bending moment at E, RA multiplied by perpendicular distance, this is forming clockwise, minus 5 into 2, because 5 is forming anti-clockwise. So we will see the details for bending moment diagram. So 9.75 into 2 जो भी आएगा वो calculation. Now bending moment at D, 9.75 multiplied by 4. How it is 4? At D, the perpendicular distance is 2 meter plus 2 meter. Don't take 2 meter because the distance is 2 meter, but we have to taking at point D. Therefore, 2 meter plus 2 meter. This will be the moment cost at point D. 9.75 into 4 minus 5. Why it is 5? Because that force is coming anti-clockwise. Minus 5 into 2. So calculate it from the calculator and you will get the moment. So at the values given of the length in meter and the load is in Newton, therefore the Newton meter and Newton meter is the unit for bending moment. Whereas for shear force, it is kilonewton or Newton. Bending moment at E, जैसे shear force में था इतना easy नहीं है, वो force से आ गए, यहाँ पे आ गए, फिर उसमें का ड्रॉप हो गया, माइनस किया, स्ट्रेट लाइन किया, नहीं, यहाँ पे आपको हर एक मोमेंट पे जितने जितने फोर्स है वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है, क्लॉकवाइज है, उसका पूरा सम लेना पड़ेगा. सो 9.75 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 माइनस 5 इंटू 5 माइनस 10 इंटू 3, यानी ई पे जो डिस्टेंस है वो पूरे फोर्सेस मल्टीप्लाई करने का और उसका वैल्यू निकालने का. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज टेकन एज नेगेटिव, क्लॉकवाइज टेकन एज पॉजिटिव. नाउ एम बी, we have to check whether we are right or wrong. So 9.75 total span is 8 meter minus 5 from point C the distance is 6 meter minus 10 the distance is 4 meter minus 8 the distance is only 1 meter. Therefore if you are going to solve this you should get 0 value or it must be 0. In simply supported case problem need not to calculate MA and MB, write down directly 0. So in the middle point MC, MD, ME, these calculations are quite important for plotting the bending moment diagram. Now we will see If there is a point load, we have to show by an inclined line. If there is a varying load, you have to show by parabola, or if it is a UDL, you will have to get inclined line. Sorry, parabola or cubic parabola for the varying load, or MB is equal to 0 since it is simply supported. Okay. Now see how I have plotted the diagram. No force, inclined line, whereas in shear force you have to make horizontal lines. Okay. Now 0 0 at the last. Here the value is 19.5. जो भी आया नेगेटिव आया तो नेगेटिव डालो, पॉजिटिव आया तो पॉजिटिव डालो. 19.5, 29 न्यूटन मीटर, जो भी वैल्यू आए हैं दैट यू हैव टू प्लॉट ऑन द डायग्राम. मोमेंट एट सी, मोमेंट एट डी, मोमेंट एट ई, एंड मोमेंट एट ए एंड मोमेंट एट बी इज 0. This is called bending moment diagram, and these are the value we have taken some suitable. You can draw it on graph, or you can draw by some proportionate value. ये 19.5 है तो थोड़ा सा ऊपर डालने का 29, थोड़ा सा 19 से कम डालने का 13.25. So this is called BMD. And so आपको एक के नीचे एक ही निकालना है. फॉर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई हैव ड्रॉन फर्स्ट दिस एसएफटी एंड बीएमडी. फॉर कैलकुलेशन जो जो बीम की डायग्राम निकाली है वो लेफ्ट हैंड पोर्शन पूरा छोड़ देने का, और राइट हैंड साइड ऑन द आंसर शीट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस कैलकुलेशन. विच कैलकुलेशन? ये इधर लिखने का, ये एसएफडी के कैलकुलेशन लिखने का एक राइट हैंड साइड में, ये जो डायग्राम रहती है उसके नीचे एसएफडी बीएमडी निकालना है. Okay, this is SFD and this is BMD. Now we will take somewhat different problem. Now dear friends, here the beam is simply supported, but it is having two cantilever. Okay, so if I am going to stand here, the beam, I will make the camera like this. Here the supports are simply supported and this, but it is having some overhang. It is called overhang. So overhang is nothing but the portion beyond the support A and B. Okay, so the distance again 2 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter. ये कब आता है ऐसी केसेस? एनीबडी कैन स्पीक? ऐसी केसेस कहाँ पे आती है स्ट्रक्चर में? ओके, आई विल
Sir,
टेल.
at the beam,
हाँ, प्लीज टेल.
porch,
Yes, exactly. Suppose the beam is there and there is some balcony or some cantilever सज्जा which is outside the support. कॉलम के बाहर जो सज्जे वगैरह निकलते हैं और बालकनी का पोर्शन रहता है, तो ये ऐसी केसेस आती है. सो लेट अस एज्यूम ऑन द बोथ साइड देयर इज अ दिस थिंग, क्या बोलते हैं, कैंटिलीवर आए हैं. ओके, सो ये बी इज द बीम. D, and in this problem there is now subjected to UDL. This kind of problem is likely to be asked into examination because it is little bit complicated. Okay, so before proceeding, I would like to tell you that you have to give me the reaction A, reaction at A and reaction at B. Try to calculate. You take your 5 minutes, no problem. Try to calculate by your own. घ्या कॅल्क्युलेटर घ्या, वही घ्या, लिहा प्लीज, नाहीतर येणार नाही. रिॲक्शन चुकू द्या. कुठे चूक झाली ते लगेच अंडरस्टँड होते. सायकलवरून पडल्यानंतरच आपण सायकल व्यवस्थित चालू शकतो. का पडलोच नाही तर कसं चालवता येणार? सो ट्राय टू फाइंड आउट द रिॲक्शन ॲट ए अँड रिॲक्शन ॲट बी. इट इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. नीड नॉट टू बॉदर. I will tell, I will give the explanation. I have the reactions, but try to solve. I will give you 5 minutes. ट्राय करा प्रत्येकानं. If anybody got the answer, tell me. जिसका भी आंसर आता है वो बोलिए, नहीं तो चैट बॉक्स में डालिए. What you have to do? You have to take the moment at A, so you will get RB, and then downward forces is equal to upward forces. You will get RA. If you want hint, I will give the previous problems reactions. देखो ऐसा निकालना है, खाली यहाँ पे यूडीएल है और बीम इज ओवरहैंग. ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट बाय योर ओन, अदरवाइज आप रिएक्शन ही कैलकुलेट नहीं कर पाओगे जिंदगी में. और रिएक्शन को मार्क्स भी नहीं है. तो ये दिस इज बेसिक दैट यू हैव स्टडीड इन योर इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर.
सर वो डायग्राम दिखाओ ना फिर से.
Just a moment, I will go to that diagram. Hmm. किसी को मिला है आंसर?
सर आरबी 16 किलोन्यूटन आते का?
बघूयात ना. मला पुढच्या स्लाइडवर आन्सर आहे पण माझ्या याच्यामध्ये नाही आहे. ज्याचं काही आलेलं आहे आपण बघू ना. एक दोघांचे इट शुड बी टॅलीड.
ओके सर.
19.5 येणार सर 19.5.
सगळेजण सांगा म्हणजे प्रत्येकाचं आपल्याला समजेल.
19.5 सर आरबी.
ओके, बघूयात. ट्राय तरी करा बाकीचे प्लीज.
सर आरबी 19.34 आणि आरए 12.67.
व्हेरी गुड.
सर
हा,
आरबी 19.33 आणि आरए 12.67.
ओके, वी विल चेक. कुठं कोणतं आन्सर करेक्ट आहे ते बघूयात आणि कुठाचं काय चुकलं असेल ते पण बघूयात. So let us move to the so let us check the answer which is correct. So in the next slide I have calculated it. Calculations of reactions. RA is equal to, due to symmetry of the beam. See, loading and boundary condition reactions at both the supports are equal. देखो क्या हो गया इसमें, 2 मीटर 3 मीटर 3 मीटर 2 मीटर. Okay, the load is 5 kilonewton 5 kilonewton, and exactly at the center the load is acting 10 kilonewton, and UDL is in the middle part 2 kilonewton per meter. So this type of problem likely to be asked into examination in competitive examinations also. We are unnecessarily playing with taking the moment, etc., etc., etc. There also you will get same value. So if I am going to take the moment at RA, जो आपने किया होगा, ओके, इसके नीचे भी हो सकता है, नहीं है, ठीक है. तो RA के जिन्होंने समेशन ऑफ मोमेंट एट ए सपोर्ट पे लेना है अपने को, डोंट टेक एट सी. सो जिन्होंने कुछ गलत हुआ है उनका देखता हूं मैं अभी कहाँ गलत हुआ है आप. सो आर ए पे मोमेंट ले लिया मैंने, तो समेशन ऑफ मोमेंट इज इक्वल टू एट ए इज इक्वल टू 0. सो 5 क्या कर रहा है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कर रहा है. सो -5 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 is the UDL 2 kilonewton per meter, 2 kilonewton per meter multiplied by 6 and multiplied by 3 because it is acting at the center. जिन्होंने कुछ किया है वो देख चेक कर सकते हैं. आई एम रिपीटिंग, आपका जो कैलकुलेशन है चेक करो. आर ए पे मोमेंट लिया मैंने, 5 -5 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 6 इंटू 3 प्लस 10 into 3 minus RB into 6 plus 5 into 8 equal to 0. समझ में आया कहां पे गलती हो गई, देख लो आप. और shall I repeat again?
No,
Sound? I will repeat. I am
No,
taking
sir.
I am taking moment at A. Summation of moment at A is equal to 0. So first force is left hand side. I am going to consider 5. 5 is forming anti-clockwise moment about A. So -5 into 2 plus 2 kilonewton per meter is the UDL which is acting at the span of 6 meter. So 2 into 6, and where it is going to act at the center, symmetry. So that is nothing but 3, and a -5 into 2 plus 2 into 6 into 3 plus 10 into 3 minus RB into 6 plus 5 into 3 plus 3 plus 2 means 8 equal to 0. So from this you will get the reaction RB is equal to 16. और आपने किया होगा फिर अभी अपवर्ड फोर्सेस इज इक्वल टू डाउनवर्ड फोर्सेस. सो आर ए प्लस आर बी इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 10 प्लस 2 इंटू 6 प्लस 5. ऐसा आता है, समझ में आया क्या? ओके फाइन ऋतिक, थैंक यू. सो हियर देयरफॉर इन अदर वर्ड्स नाउ हाफ इज द टोटल के आधी आधी रिएक्शन होने वाली है. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन नाउ दिस वेयर आई एम शोइंग माय कर्सर. हाफ 5 नीचे फोर्स जा रहा है, 10 नीचे फोर्स जा रहा है, ये नीचे वाला जा रहा है, प्लस दिस यूडीएल 2 इंटू 6 इक्वल टू, ये आधा कर लिया, आर ए प्लस आर बी इज इक्वल टू 16 किलोन्यूटन. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू फाइंड आउट एस एफ डी. सो अभी देखो 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4455 6677 8899. So reactions are with us. See, these all forces are acting on the beam. So we will find out now the reactions. Shear force calculation. V00, no force on the left hand side is equal to 0. V11, देखो इन द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम अपना आर ए अपवर्ड जा रहा था, एंड में था, इसलिए अपन ने पॉजिटिव लिया था वो. अभी ये फोर्स निगेटिव जा रहा है 11 पे, सो इट इज -5. 22 तक आने के लिए कोई भी फोर्स नहीं है, इसलिए V22 इज -5 किलोमीटर. V33, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सी जस्ट राइट ऑफ दिस आर ए, यहाँ तक तो कोई फोर्स नहीं है भाई, यहाँ पे आ गए तो 33, सो -5 ये अपवर्ड फोर्स है, दैट्स वाई +16 पॉजिटिव हो गई वैल्यू 11 किलोमीटर. नाउ V44 तक यहाँ पे कुछ भी वैल्यू नहीं है, सो V44 11 -2 × 3, ये यूडीएल कट कर लिया मैंने, यहाँ तक ही गया मैं, यूडीएल कट कर लिया बिकॉज द अदर फोर्स इज एक्टिंग 10 किलोमीटर. सो 11 -2 × 3 5 किलोमीटर. V55 जस्ट राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ 10 किलोमीटर. सो -5 तो ये अपना +5 तो था यहाँ पे, -10 किलोमीटर कर लिया मैंने, सो -5 किलोमीटर. V66 यहाँ तक आ गया मैं, जस्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ बी, पॉइंट बी, आरबी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जस्ट आ गया. सो V66 इज इक्वल टू दिस -5 -6, कौन सा 6? 2 × 3, ये जो 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 कर लिया मैंने. सो दिस इज द फोर्स, टोटल फोर्स ड्यू टू यूडीएल. सो -5 -6 आई विल गेट -11 किलोमीटर. नाउ V77 पे आ गए, यहाँ पे जस्ट राइट ऑफ बी. ये जस्ट मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, जस्ट लेफ्ट जस्ट राइट ऑफ द फोर्स, बिकॉज देयर विल बी शियर फोर्स एक्टिंग ड्यू टू दिस सर्फेसेस. ये इतना डिस्टेंस है, ये इतना आ गया भाई, लेकिन ये अपवर्ड जा रहा है. सो व्हाट इज द चेंज, व्हाट इज द फ्लक्चुएशन, दैट वी हैव टू सी इन द शियर फोर्स डायग्राम. सो V77 पे, V66 पे जो फोर्स था -11 किलोमीटर प्लस, व्हाई प्लस? बिकॉज इट इज अपवर्ड, दैट्स व्हाई -11 + 16 is equal to 5 kilometer. Now V88 just left of the end of 99. So V88 is 5 kilometer because no force acting on the beam in between. So 5 kilometer, and V99, 5 - 5, it must be equal to 0. So at the end and at the start, beam must have 0. Don't consider that at the support it is 0. अपने पहला प्रॉब्लम में था, इधर 0 था, इधर 0 था, लेकिन यहाँ पे अभी फोर्स ही नहीं है ना भाई, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और राइट हैंड साइड में, तो इट मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो दिस इज द शियर फोर्स डायग्राम. यू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट, देन वी विल प्लॉट द एसएफडी. सी, ये 5 है, इसलिए -5 कर दिया, यहाँ पे -5 बिकॉज नो फोर्स एक्टिंग इन दिस जोन. देन 5 प्लस 11 -5 -5, देन ये अपवर्ड चला गया क्योंकि रिएक्शन आई थी 11. सो -5 से -5 रिएक्शन थी अपनी 16 किलोमीटर, ठीक है. सो -5 -16, सॉरी -5 + 16 अपवर्ड था ना, तो 11 किलोमीटर हो गया. 11 नाउ इन दिस बिटवीन देयर इज अ यूडीएल. सो यूडीएल आ गया तो मैंने इंक्लाइन लाइन निकाला, यहाँ पे -10 और आ गया, नीचे चला गया, यहाँ पे और यूडीएल आ गया, इंक्लाइन लाइन आ गया, यहाँ पे अपवर्ड फोर्स आ गया, और यहाँ पे लास्ट में 5 और लास्ट में 0 आ गया. नाउ in this kind you have to see, now see, as the load is symmetrical, bending shear force diagram is also symmetrical. यहाँ पे देखो, ये -5, this is -5, this is +5, this is 11 plus this is 11, यहाँ पे 5, यहाँ पे 5. So the diagram is also symmetrical, SFD, because it depends on the load. If load is symmetrical, naturally SFD will be symmetrical. Now we will see the bending moment calculation. MC and ME is 0 because no force at the free end. So bending moment at free end is 0. I told in the previous problem, at the simple support the bending moment is 0, but it is not the case, as it is a overhanging beam. It is 0 at the C and 0 at E. Okay, so proceed to calculation of bending moment at A, D, B. बिकॉज यहाँ पे तो 0 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, अपने को कहाँ पे करना है, ए डी बी. ओके, सो लेट अस सी हाउ टू फाइंड आउट कैलकुलेशन. Now MA is equal to MB. Why I am writing like this? Because the this load is -5, here also -5, so load is symmetrical, therefore reaction bending moment at A and B is -5.2 is equal to 10, because load is symmetrical, my dear friends. Or else you can work out like this also, at bending moment at A is equal to -5 into 2, then calculate at D -5 into 5, then 16, positive 16 multiplied by 3, then downward force in this UDL is 2 into 3 into 1.5, you will get bending moment at D. Okay, similarly, if you are interested to find out a bending moment at B, you are going to take from right hand side, it will be easy. Or if you are going to consider left hand side forces, what will be the calculations? -5 multiplied by 2 plus 3 plus 3, that is 8. Then RA is forming clockwise moment, here it is clockwise like this, therefore it will be RA 16 into 6. Then what is the force? -10 multiplied by 3, then minus 2 A sub 2 UDL into 6, and where it is going to act? At the middle 6, sorry 3. So you will get bending moment at B. So that calculations I have plotted in the next slide. Now see MD पे निकालना है, मैंने जो जो बोला आपको, -5 2 plus 3 5 लिख दिया, then plus 16 into 3 कर दिया, -2 into 3 into 1.5, that is 3 by 2, so I will get 14 kilometer meter. You have to concentrate whether it is a positive or negative force. Okay, always if it is anti-clockwise moment, okay, take as negative. If it is clockwise moment, take as positive. And don't forget to mark the distances. Distances are always important, and for the case of UDL, it must be acting at the center where you are going to calculate, right? So we will see the bending moment diagram. As I have told you, if there is no force, you have to show by inclined line. Then here, as it is subjected to UDL, you have to show by cubic parabola. Okay, in case of this, sorry, parabola only. If it is UVL, that will be cubic parabola. And see, this diagram is also symmetrical because loading is symmetrical. So -10 kN, -10 kN, and bending moment at D. बाकी तो कुछ निकालना ही नहीं ना, B पे निकाला, D पे निकाला, ये पे निकाला. आपने इधर से भी निकाला रहता तो भी यही वैल्यू आना है, -10 kN, इधर से भी ले लिया तो वही वैल्यू आना वाला है, -10 kN. Okay, so this is our BMD. So remember, what is the क्या बोलते हैं moral of the story? If there is no load in SFD, you have to show by horizontal line. If there is no load in between and it is subjected to point load, you have to show inclined line. If there is UDL, you have to show by parabola like this. ये जो parabola है ना, ये parabola बोलती है इसको, ठीक है? Now, if you see the problem here, what is this point? मेरा जो cursor है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Point of contraflexure.
Correct, point of contraflexure, because where the bending moment diagram changes its sign from positive to negative or negative to positive, so that is called point of contraflexure. So point of contraflexure is nothing but when the bending moment diagram changes its sign from positive to negative or vice versa. So this is the definition of point of contraflexure. So can you find out the distance from ये यहाँ से यहाँ निकाल सकते हैं अपन, ये डिस्टेंस कितना है और ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? इट इज वेरी इजी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ओके, you should know the equation of parabola, and according to you can work out the distances. Okay, so that you have to find out from point A, or somebody is asking from point C, or somebody is asking from point E or B or D. You will get the dimension where bending moment changes its sign. Okay, so that is called point of contraflexure. Okay, so here this is SFD, this is BMD, that you have to draw on the left hand side and calculations on the right hand side. Now how to find out point of contraflexure? Okay, so this is point of contraflexure. So I have taken the section X from distance A, point of contraflexure for point A. तो यहाँ से और इधर से भी ले सकते हैं B. So we will have to see how to find out the point of contraflexure. So that is there. Let x be the distance of point of contraflexure from support A, taking moments at the section XX, considering left hand side portion. मैं यहाँ पे moment ले रहा हूँ. I don't know the distance x. Okay, fine. Forget about. So when I am going to take the section A, section XX from A, so I will have to take the moments on the all left hand side forces, or you can take on the right hand side forces. Nothing is different. You will get the same distance. Okay. So before seeing the calculation, I will give the calculation first. So minus 5. Why 5 minus? Because it is forming anti-clockwise moment. Minus 5 into 2 plus x. Into 2 plus x. Because I don't know this x value. 2 plus x. Then another force, it is RA, that is 16 kilonewton. It is forming clockwise direction. So clockwise moment is taken as positive. 16 into x. Okay. Minus, why minus? This much of part is UDL, acting UDL. 2 into x into x by 2. Okay, 2 into x. इतना जो portion है UDL का 2 into x, because I don't know the distance x. So 2 into x, and where it is going to act x by 2. So here you will get 2x square by 2. 2 by 2 gets cancelled. So x square, then x, or एक value constant. So ax square plus bx plus c. This is nothing but for solving the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c. You will get the value of x. And how to solve that quadratic equation? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So we will see that calculation now. Here I have written minus 5. Why minus? Anticlockwise. Plus 2 into x, क्योंकि मेरे को ये x distance I don't know, 2 plus x plus 16 into x. Why plus? Because 16 is the vertical line forming clockwise into x, minus 2, ये 2 into x and x by 2. So 2x square by 2 equal to 0. And after solving this equation, you will get the distance x. So x is 1 or 10 meter, x is equal to 1 meter. Which one is true? आपको तो पता है टोटल की लेंथ इज 3 plus 3 2 2. टोटल लेंथ इज 10 मीटर है, तो अपने को 10 मीटर तो रह ही नहीं सकता डिस्टेंस. सो दैट्स व्हाई x is equal to 1 meter. So in this way, you have to find out the point of contraflexure. For calculation of point of contraflexure, you will get 2 marks. If you are not able to find out point of contraflexure, then you may lose 2 marks. So this is the entire process. So if it is the problem of, let us say, 8 marks, for calculation of reactions you will get 1 mark. For calculation of SF, shear forces, you will get 1 mark. For drawing SFD correctly, you will get 2 marks. For calculation of BM, you will get 1 mark. For drawing the diagram BMD, 2 marks. And point of contraflexure, 1 or 2 marks. Accordingly, you have to get whatever may be the weightage given to that particular problem. Now try to solve this problem by your own, because I have taken first problem as simply supported carrying point load, second problem simply supported beam carrying UDL as well as point load and overhanging on both the side, and now here overhang is only on one side and it is subjected to 2 point load and UDL. Now try to solve this problem by your own. I am not going to solve this problem. I will give the solution, not an issue. Diagram काढा, try to find out the reactions and try to find out SFD, try to plot BMD, try to find out point of contraflexure. This is, let us say, your homework. Try to solve this problem. We have again 8 minutes to complete the class. 8 minutes में हो जाता, क्योंकि इतना टाइम अपने को नहीं रहता एग्जामिनेशन. If you are having any problem in understanding the problem, you can ask me or write it in the chat box. I will explain the problem. AB is the simply supported beam carrying UDL on the portion of 4 meter on A to C. Also, it is acting 2 kilonewton load and 5 kilonewton load as the free end. So try to find out reaction at seal. It should be correct now. रिएक्शन तो आना ही आना है आपको. मेरे को रिएक्शन का करेक्ट आंसर दो.
Sir, RB 24.6 and RA 22.4.
We will check beta from one more student. Good initiative. Draw the diagram by your own. I am stopping sharing the screen. करा ना. Anybody have got the answer? Any other answer?
Sir, RB 24.6 and RA is 22.4.
Okay, we will move to further. बघा आता कुठं आपला चूक झालेली आहे. या दोन्ही 24.6 करेक्ट आन्सर, 22.4 करेक्ट आन्सर. किती लोकांचं आलं बरोबर? यस, अनिश गुड. अथर्वा ओके,
आलं सर आन्सर.
करेक्ट, व्हेरी गुड. But are you understanding problem? Yes, वैभव, वेरी गुड. आपको समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
गुड.
Yes, sir.
चलो फिर अभी एसएमडी प्लॉट करो. गलत हुआ तो गलत हुआ, डोंट हेजिटेट, तो ट्राई टू सॉल्व. Move to find out SFD. I think you are having lecture at 11. So I am stopping so that another professors can start the lecture. Okay. So we will stop here. Tomorrow we will see this thing only answers of SFD and BMD whenever we are having the lectures. So okay. Thank you. Have a good day.